Our today's topic is voltage. Voltage is basically energy required to move a unit charge through an element, right? So if you have an energy, right, which is denoted by dW, to move a unit charge, right? So then we are saying that we have some sort of voltage or we have a potential difference. So unit of the voltage is volts, right? And further, if we convert it into a voltage, basically a joule per coulombs, right? And joule is further divided into Newton meters. Joule is basically a work or energy, and that is force into displacement. So force is denoted by Newton and displacement is denoted by meter. So we can also write Newton meter over coulombs, right? So if we have an element, like we have an element, right, and we have the two terminals A and B. A has a high potential, right, and B has a lower potential. So if we need to measure the voltage difference, like a potential difference or the voltage across this element, we will connect the voltmeter or the DMM, digital multimeter, which has a feature of measuring the voltages, currents, resistance, frequency, etc. So you will connect the voltmeter in a parallel way, like a red lead at the high potential and the black lead at lower potential. So we will always connect the voltmeter across the element in a parallel way. So if we summarize this, voltage is basically an energy which moves the charges, and current is its effect. Current basically flows, right? So if charges are flowing, that means flow of charges is a current. It is likewise the food energy, like we take the food energy and then we digest it and the blood flows into the vessels. So if we have no voltages, no potential difference, that means there will be a no flow of charges, that means there will be a no current. So voltage is necessary, and current is always flow from high potential to low potential. Likewise, in a case of water, so water flows from a certain height towards the lower point.